Hello students, welcome back to another video of statistics class 10. So we have finished till 6.3. Now we will be doing 6.4. This is the very interesting thing because we are going to study pictorial representation of statistical data, because everyone interested to see the pictures rather than the numbers. Reason? Let's see this one. What is this? Do you understand anything? Anyone can understand what is going on. Graph is going up, right? From 2014 to 2019, easily we can see. So graph is going upside, right? Whether we know number or not, the graph says each and everything. So that's the reason pictorial representation is important to present the data. Whatever you have done as of now, same thing is presented but in pictorial format, so everyone can see it, understand, and even it's easy to come to the conclusion. Reason here, anyone see, right? The moment they see 2014, 2008, 19, how much difference? 3.2, 6.8. It's look like, even though they don't read, they're not able to read the data, but they will understand by this graph. So something is happening from upside. That's the reason pictorial presentation is important. Okay, there are many methods in data presentation. So in many method as in, so you can see, right? Data presentation can be done in tabular form, pictorial presentation, graphical method, right? So we have already know what is group and ungroup, simple and joint. Bar diagram, it's also we understood. Now what is the new things we have to learn in this class 10? So we have to learn histogram, frequency, polygon, and pie diagram. That is we have to learn in this class 10. So these three things we are going to cover in your syllabus. Okay, so upcoming practice set we will be solving, understanding how this should be done. So keep focus, then let's see how we can do this kind of analysis. Okay, let's proceed. So we are not going to waste time reading and understanding the example. Let's see practice set 6.4 and you will understand how this can be done. So here it says draw a histogram of the following data. What data they have given? Again, they have given the class mark 135, 140, 145, 150, and they have given the number of student, and they're asked to draw the histogram. What is the histogram? See this. So we have a bar graph. So we have a class mark, everything. We have presented the number of people, right, in this range, and then we have plotted the graph. This is nothing but a histogram. Same you have to draw in this question also. How to draw? So we have given a class mark. So class mark you have to plot on the x-axis. Okay, this side you have to plot the class mark, and y side you have to take the frequency. Then on each and every class mark draw this graph, and after that you will see beautiful histogram. Let's see how we are going to do for this question number 1 of practice set 6.4. Then you will understand in detail. Okay, first analyze your class mark starting from 135, not from 0. As we know, right, this is x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay, so when I say x-axis and y-axis, this start from the origin. What is the origin? So origin is always 0, right? This particular part is 0. Now since your class mark starting from 135, we cannot write 0, 10, 20, so many things, right? So that's the reason we use this symbol. What is this symbol? This symbol, which present that your data is starting from 0. So now you can continue from 135 to 140, and you can write the class. So here I have written all the points: 135, 140, 145, 150, 155 with the interval of 5 each, right? Similarly, based on your frequency and the upper side, you can write 4, 12, 16 and 18 with the range of 4. I have written the frequency also. Now what next? We have to find the histogram. How? Let's see. So here in this particular, right, class 135 to 140, we have 4 as in this should go. So this is the 4. Okay, you need to draw the graph. So this is your 135 to 140. Okay, so we have done 135 to 140. Next, from 140 to 145 we have 12. So how to do? Same thing we have to do it for this also. Use your scale and pencil, and you can do it immediately on the paper. So done, I have written all the things, right? So I plotted the graph, and I've used so many colors. It's not required to use so many colors. You can use just a simple pencil, and this will become your histogram. So it says that first 4, this is your limit, second till 12, third 16, and fourth till 8. So this is your limit of the histogram. Okay, since you need to just draw there, you don't have to find the answer as such. Okay, you have to just draw the proper histogram. Let's go to question number 2 of the same practice set. You'll understand more. So here it says the table given below, right? Yield in data, but here the class mark is not continuous. First you have to make this continuous. This is true for each and every time. Okay, so you have how to make continuous. Same thing, subtract 0.5 to the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So here in this case 2, so I can say 1.5 to 3.5. Next will be 3.5 to 5.5, 5.5, 5.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 9.5, and 9.5 to 11.5. Now just write the frequency against it. So 30, 50, 55, 40, and 20. Fine. Now since your class mark starting from 1.5, then you can start creating the groups over here. You can use this symbol, then you can start the making the groups. And in the y-axis you have to plot the frequency based on the numbers. So we have least number is 20 and max is 55, so you can count the number as it is. So saying that, here we can take starting 10, 20, 30, and 40, 50, 60, right? On the x-axis we have to write the class mark. Once this is done, to plot the points on the graph. So saying that first one, 1.5 to 3.5 we have 30. So 1.5 to 3.5 we have 30. So which points? This and this point. We'll draw that, just mark the point, then we can draw this later. So this one. Okay, so next 3.5 to 5.5 we have 50, saying that which limit? So here we have 5.5 to 3.5. Next one is 55, so 55 is coming somewhere here. Similarly for 95 we have 40, so 40 will be this one, and next we have 20. So again down to here 20. Perfect. Now plot this. Once you join the line, this will become a beautiful histogram, isn't it? Right? So if you want to segregate this further, you can use and you can write the numbers in the boxes, so it will be easy to identify here. 30, 50, 55, 40, and 20, though it's not needed. It's up to you. Okay, that's what in the last example, last sum, we have added a lot of colors. It's not needed, so it's additional thing. If you want, you can do it. This is the only stuff required. Okay, let's move to next question, question number 3. So we just one question away to finish this 6.4 as well. Fine. So in the following table, again continuation is given there, right? So 10 to 15, 15 20 is no need to do additional work. The only thing you have to plot the histogram quickly. Pause the video, try by yourself, and then I'll post the answer quickly. Okay, pause the video now. Here you go, it's solution, right? I hope you have done. And if I have any doubts in this, please comment me. I'll definitely help you out how to get this. This is very, very easy. That's the reason I said pause the video and solve it by yourself. Let's move to the next question, question number 4 of this particular practice set. So again, this question is similar to question number 3 and 1. It's a damn easy. If you want, I'll solve it, but I want you to solve this particular question as a homework. And even though if any of the student feeling that they are not able to solve it, please comment me. I'll post this video for them only. Okay, so in this way we have finished the practice set 6.4 to the fullest. We'll meet in the next video where we'll study the other pictorial presentation. Till then, keep learning and subscribe to this channel and share to your friend. See you in the next video.